So one of the areas I kind of look for on a map of deeper water, hard bottom areas, if you look here at what I've got going on, this is just our normal shoreline, steep break, but we have this little finger that sticks out probably 200 yards into the water column. And what I do is what I want to do is scan over the top of this with side view or side imaging to find out, all right, is it just a gravel bottom? Is there boulders on there? Now, if it's just gravel bottom, that's fine as well, but we usually look right around the very tip or where the transition is, where the gravel meets the mud. That's where you're going to find those schools midsummer. So we'll look at this little finger here and this is what it's going to look like on side imaging as we go across it. So what I'm looking for in these long points that come all the way off the shore is kind of where does the rock end. You can see off the right side I've got some rock going on here, and then off to the left side is just kind of a transition into sand and gravel. But what I'm looking for is like this right here, some of this hard or bigger boulders. Those bigger boulders are magnets for fish. You know, all this stuff looks the same, but those 4 or 5 bigger boulders is what's going to attract the fish. But also look at the deep end. Where does this transition all the way out into the basin? This edge right here you can see is kind of that gravel to mud transition line. Don't overlook that area as well. So you've got the shallow or big boulders, look at those, and then also look at the big deep transition off where it goes into the mud.